comes to sleep, just think about it. It's the only way that your body naturally restores and repairs itself. So if you can't sleep, that's a fundamental problem right there. Lack of sleep causes things like diabetes, hypertension, depression, anxiety. Your immune system is weakened, infertility. I mean, the list is endless. So 1 in 3 Americans, adult Americans, say that they do not have a good night's sleep in the previous week or in the previous 3 days. 50 to 70 million Americans say they have a sleep disorder or has been diagnosed with some kind of sleep problems, falling asleep, staying asleep, and so on. Now, you and I, or the average person, needs about 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Some maybe more or maybe less, depending on your daily activities, your age, and so on. What can you do to get a good night's sleep? You can take medications, but it's preferred that you use good sleep hygiene. I'm going to list some techniques, and hopefully you can try them and they'll work out for you. And obviously, talk to your primary care physician about your options. So here we go. Now, you want to create a routine, something that lets your body know you're about to go to bed. It could be a shower, it could be, some relaxing, decaffeinated tea and so on and so forth. But your body knows the moment it sees this, then we're preparing for bed. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you limit caffeine or caffeine related products at least 6 hours before bed. So let's say you're at the office, that means that you're stopping coffee around 12 or 1 p.m. Okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is create a good sleeping environment. That usually means for most people a dark room, a quiet room, and the cooler the better. Some people like the white noise, that's okay too, whatever works for you. Okay? Another thing you want to do is to use your bed for sleep and sleep related activities alone. Nothing else, no reading, no writing, no making lists, no plotting, nothing. Just for sleep and sleep related activities. Now, another big one is no exercise at least 2 hours before bed. If you exercise too close to your bedtime, your brain is awake, doesn't want to sleep, you don't want that. The final one that we're probably all guilty about is using devices before bed. The cutoff is 30 minutes before bed. You want to stop all devices, TV, phones, tablets, whatever it is, cut it off at least 30 minutes before bed. Now, the other sleep hygiene techniques you can try, talk to your primary care physician to see what, works specifically and uniquely for you. And obviously, if that doesn't work, you may want to talk with them about medications. And that's supposed to be your last resort. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you get a good night's sleep.